This problem, given that cosine of theta is equal to 4 over 5, where theta is between 3 pi over 2 and 2 pi, find tan of theta. So if we start by drawing a little coordinate axis, we know that 3 pi over 2 on the unit circle is down at the bottom, which is the same thing as 270 degrees, and 2 pi is here. So we're going to be in quadrant 4. Let's start by drawing a triangle in quadrant 4. First drawing the hypotenuse, and then we always drop to the nearest x-axis, not to the y-axis, to make a right angle. So we can make the angle at the origin, and the cosine of theta is always the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. So the adjacent side is the one that's touching the angle, which would make this 4 here. That's touching the angle but not the hypotenuse. And then the hypotenuse is the one that's opposite from the 90-degree angle, which would make 5 be the hypotenuse. So we know these two sides of the triangle so far, and that we're in quadrant 4. Since the x-coordinate is going to the right, that would be a positive, and the hypotenuse is always a positive. So from here, if we're trying to find tan of theta is the ratio of opposite over adjacent. So we know that the adjacent side is already 4, but we need to find the opposite side. The way we can find the opposite side is by using the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So we can plug in the hypotenuse as 5, so 5 would be the c, and then the 4 would be either a or b, and the b would be what we're looking for. So to simplify, 4 squared is 16, plus b squared is equal to 5 squared is 25. Subtract 16 on both sides to get b squared is equal to 9. And then take the square root of both sides to get that b is equal to plus or minus 3. So to figure out whether it's positive or negative, let's look at where we are in the quadrants. Since we're going down for y, that means that this length is going to be negative 3. If we were going up, it would be a positive 3. So we can plug in the opposite side as negative 3, and that would be our answer. Tan would be equal to negative 3/4. So I hope this step-by-step solution was helpful for you, and if it was, please like and subscribe to my channel for more homework help solutions. Also, leave a comment if you have any questions.